So you want to know how to make a chromatic in new tone, right? Alright. Master. The like first plugin, I don't know. New tone. Get your samples. Gotta pick TBH100 because why not? Now. Okay, can I do this? Nah. See these three knobs are here? Center all the way up. Variation and trance. No. Now zoom in. I should search for the right sample. Now make sure that new tone is like #1 because I recommend that. Open Edison, open new audio editor, new tone, Edison. Now you can record now or delete the samples. I don't care what you do, but it should do something. Alright. Press R or record.
6 seconds.
Alright, you should probably do this for like a few seconds.
I turn to a different view.
Alright. Check if it's recorded. If it is recorded. Alright, now like alright, like you've done this. You did this. Now save these samples. I'll call this. Now open this. Now open your open your sound file. In Audacity because yeah, you could delete the rest. But what I do is I get the 2-second samples. You select it, file, export selected audio. Alright, now name it. I use chromatic generator. You could use new tone or anything. I use chromatic generator. I recommend it now. Name it 1. Select it, file, export selected audio 2. Now select, export selected audio 3. You can do any samples, how many samples you want. It's gotta be good. Now, after you're done exporting all of the samples, close Audacity, and now you have this. Okay, what should I do? I open my chromatic generator, do this, could do anything, range, I don't know, sample, I don't know. I do 92, 0.2, gotta keep it pitched, they dump individual, I don't do that. You can generate a chromatic, and like, yeah, we gotta wait. Now that my the chromatic is done, I'll name it TH Chromatic. Now open your test project or do something. Okay, don't mind these. Alright, now you got your FLP. What should I do? Voices. I can replace any of the players, be it boyfriend or your opponent. I'll replace Homer with my new chromatic I made. Now drag and drop. You can drag and drop it, or you can load the sample. I drag and drop. You can open the sample. Alright, you've got this. Now what should you do? This whole thing. You see this thing. Right click on it and do dull auto slicing. Now if you've done everything right, it should be something like this. Okay, now test it. You see, for mine it doesn't sound that good, so put down 2 octaves for my chromatic. Now see on the chromatic generator I set the range to 92, but if I look at the chromatic, it's at 128. Now what you do? I just adjusted. I'll be right back. I'm gonna adjust the chromatic. Oh, I'm done with the chromatic, I guess. See, marker 92, chromatic generator 92. Now, we're basically done. I just FST. I just load my FST with effects. Probably sucked for you guys, but I don't care. Now, this is how it should sound like. Yeah, now you're done. Yeah, you're done. Okay, good.